guess he's just pushing that one song to the
Yeah. Putting his own spin on that one.
He knows the crowd, right? So work the crowd.
Yeah. Probably,
His box had some dollars in it, but not a lot.
had a few.